Hey everyone, this is Ivan Santiago, your Central Florida Realtor, on location in the community of Sunbridge. Sunbridge is a very special community, the way they're developing it. It's being developed by some developers that have done amazing things in this area, namely the Lake Nona area with Laureate Park. And so there are lots and lots of details that have been thought out and processed for the enjoyment of those who are going to live here. There are 5 builders in total that are in this area of Weslyn Park, and this particular builder that has built the home behind me is called Pulte. Pulte is building throughout the Central Florida area. They're a pretty well-known builder, and the home behind me is a 1-story. It is called the Bordeaux. It is around 1,900 square feet. Before we go any further, if you don't mind, please hit that like, subscribe, and the bell notification icon, because this will help out the channel tremendously to get more content out like this to you. Some of the features that are in this community, there's walking trails there. I've seen raised bed gardens that are here. There's a lot of differences that you'll find here than other communities. What I have not gone over in other videos that I've done, you'll see that there's like a siding on these homes versus your typical stucco on a Florida home. So different materials, different look, different vibe. It's very nice. And let me stop talking so that you can see the tour. Hey, let me know what you think about this home down below. For the square footage, 1,900 square feet is not the smallest home. It's not the biggest home. It's a decent square footage. But in this type of a floor plan where the lot is so narrow, they've got to squeeze it in a different kind of way. So one of the things you notice is that, again, like other homes in this community, the garage is a rear entry. So the garage is located on the back side of the house versus the front. But also you see this area is like, once you enter the home, you have a very, I don't want to say narrow because narrow sounds like a negative connotation, but everything's right here. So in a way that's great if you're having entertainment, if you're entertaining for people to come over, they're right here. They're not walking through any areas of living space that you may have, I don't know, toys of the kids or some things that you needed to put away in your room. So you're right into the main area when you walk in, great for entertaining. The rooms are off to the right side of the home with your master hidden in the back and your spares in the front also hidden away very nicely. So well done for a floor plan. Let me know what you think. If you don't mind, leave a comment down below. Also, my information is always down below. I would love to be your personal resource here in the Central Florida area, so feel free to give me a call, give me a text, give me an email, whatever you would like to reach out with. And if you don't mind, please, please, please hit like, subscribe, and the bell notification icon, because I want you to be notified whenever there's new content coming out. And I've been trying to get it out as much as I can every single week. And I hope you appreciate that. I know you do because you're here watching the video. So I will see you on the next video, guys. Let me know what kind of stuff you want to see. I'll go hunt it for you. Take care.